How you guys doing? Welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here, and we're doing a food review today. It's something I saw on Super Bowl Sunday, and I think you did too. Do you remember the commercial with Michael Bublé? Yeah. It's a beverage called Bubbly, I think it is. And the reason why I have different ones is because I couldn't get the canned ones always. I had to go with the bottles. I think I got all the flavors. I might have missed one or two. But we're going to test this out. I've heard mixed reviews about this product. It's sparkling flavored water. Are you guys ready? Let's come in and close and take a look at the whole brand. First one we have here is Mango Bubbly. I hate mango. I'm going to tell you that right now. I'm probably not going to like that flavor because I never liked mango. I don't know why. I like pineapple. I like tangerine. I like orange. I don't like mango. So, but we will try that anyway. Then we have raspberry bubbly, lemon bubbly, apple bubbly, and this one is peach bubbly. What is this one? Cherry bubbly. So we're going to try them out and see which one's my favorite. All right, let's see about this one, mango. Not a big fan of mango. Be careful. Please don't shoot. Don't spill. Because it is seltzer water. So it is under pressure. So be careful and not shake them around. All right, so here we go. First one we're trying is the mango. The one I will probably like the least. Yeah, I don't like that one. It's got a funny aftertaste, and it's not the mango. The water tastes funny. Tastes like it's dirty water. Hold on. That's just the mango one. Could be because I don't like mango. I don't know. This one is raspberry bubbly. So let's open that first. Raspberry. I love raspberry. It's one of my favorite flavors. If you've never had a mocha with raspberry in it, order a mocha coffee like at Starbucks or something and do 2 pumps of raspberry. That's what they call a raspberry kiss. That's right. All right, here we go. That's weird. No, I like raspberry. It has the water tastes funny. I don't know what it is. Let's try this one right here. This is the lemon bubbly. I've had lemon water, I've had lemonade, I've had every type of lemon sparkling water there is. Yeah, the water tastes funny. This is awful. This is not good. Have you guys tried these? All right, this one's apple. I don't think I'm going to get a good one in the batch. I've already tried 3 and I don't like any of them. The water tastes funny. I can't explain it. You know, it tastes like tap water. Not enough flavor, not enough sweetness in it. That's what it is. There's no sweetness in it at all. I usually drink the raspberry ice. You know, the sparkling ice. Here we go. Right here. Flavors aren't strong enough either. This is peach. Very weak. Very weak, but not as bad as the rest. All right, this one's cherry. Last chance to possibly be good. I don't like the water they're using. I can't explain it. You'd have to try it yourself. It tastes like tap water. It's got other chemicals in it. Can't tell. All right, well, it's called Bubbly. I don't care for it. I'm more of a sparkling ice guy. But if you're looking for a flavored water, try it out. Let me know what you think. See if the water doesn't taste funny, all right? Take care, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.